Thanks, Suzy. Following the MRT-7 tour, the DOTR and the media continue with the inspection at the Unified Grand Central Station, or the common station located at the north end of EDSA. The common station is comprised of three areas: Area A under the DOTR, Area B under the Ayala Land, and Area C under the MRT-7 facility by San Miguel Corporation. The DOTR admits that things weren't easy back then.
2017, binuno po talaga ng boss ko to, sir. Because we were really in the middle. We were stuck in between four boulders. Naipit po talaga kami. Nandyan ang San Miguel, nandyan ang Ayala, nandyan ang Metro Pacific, and nandyan ang SM. So we were stuck. Simple po yung mensahe ni Secretary back in 2017, and it's still the same message up to now. Tiwala lang po.
Following its groundbreaking, Ayala Land has started the construction of Area B. Meanwhile, construction works at the Area A has started after its contract signing last February 2019.
The project duration is 20 months, and we received our notice to proceed last May 16, 2019, and hope to complete the project on January 2021.
This station marks the intersection of four railway lines: the LRT-1, MRT-3, MRT-7, and the Metro Manila Subway. It is expected to provide a seamless transfer of passengers from one rail line to another. DOTR Secretary Art Tugade, through Undersecretary for Railways TJ Batan, asks the involved concessionaires not to just finish the project on time, but to put all their resources at hand into work.
We don't ask for anything, and we will not ask for anything except please put all resources available to you into work. Hindi lang po to finish on time, but if we can earnestly and strongly request po if you can finish ahead of time.
Yusek Batan, however, said there are still challenges in the construction of the project.
Yung challenge natin sa common station is really construction coordination. Traffic management is another. Kausap ngayon ng teams natin ng MMDA. On EDSA, we are not just building a station. We are building a 750-meter new viaduct for LRT-1.
He also assured that they will finish the project by target date, even ahead of it. They have what they call earlier than target date approach.
When you project kasi your target date, you make assumptions. You make assumptions on your constraints. You make assumptions on how long a certain process will take. There are constraints that are usually faced by our contractors where we have demonstrated we can assist in expediting. So that's why importante yung constant coordination with our contractors para naiintindihan namin kung ano yung mga assumptions nila on the amount of time needed for certain things. And if our team thinks of an idea na, uy, pwede natin paikliin yan, kaya namin kayo tulungan with this importation, kaya namin kayo tulungan with this permits, kaya namin kayong tulungan with this right-of-way issue, with this traffic management issue.
The said rail line project features a transit area operated by an automated fare collection system, which will give commuters better point-to-point mobility and comfort. That was a common station construction progress with insights from DOTR and its contractors and concessionaires. Our guest this week on Motoring Today's Motoring Forum, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.